Hey everyone, connecting your OKX account to TradingView turns your charts into a live trading terminal, allowing you to execute crypto trades without switching tabs. In 2026, OKX remains one of the most tightly integrated brokers on the platform, supporting spot, margin, and perpetual futures directly. Step 1. Opening the Trading Hub. We're starting on any TradingView chart.
We're heading to the Trade button in the top right corner. We do this to pull up the brokerage search engine, which is the fastest way to filter through the hundreds of partners TradingView has.
Click the tab labeled Trading Panel. Click the arrow to expand the list and scroll until you find the OKX logo. This is the discovery phase. Instead of using a third-party API tool, you are using the official native integration for maximum security. Step 2. Account type selection and authorization. We're heading to the OKX login prompt. Unlike other brokers that ask for your country first, OKX now asks for your environment to ensure a clear boundary between practice and real money trading. Click Connect on the OKX logo. Before entering any emails, look for the toggle or drop-down menu to select either live trading or demo trading. Why do this? We do this for risk management. If you want to test a new crypto indicator without using your actual USDT, selecting Demo lets you use OKX's paper trading credits right on the TradingView chart. Step 3. Managing orders from the chart. We're heading to the chart interface. Once connected, your Trade button in the top right becomes active. We do this to visualize your orders and stop losses directly on the price action. The goal is to trade with drag and drop simplicity. Open the order ticket, top right, to select your trade type, market, limit, or stop. Once an order is placed, you can simply click and drag the order line on your chart to move your take profit or stop loss levels in real time. Step 4. Verifying the connection. We're finishing at the Account Summary tab at the bottom. We do this to ensure your unified account balance and open positions are syncing correctly. Ensure your equity and available margin match your OKX app. If they do, your setup is officially verified and ready for live trading. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.